Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress or access a website that we have registered or ordered on Headsnare, but we don't have that domain yet. For instance, we have this, we created a new order. I'll just run through that real quick. So we've created a new order with web hosting, standard or basic, and transfer an existing domain name, and we entered the domain that we want to transfer and attach to this hosting account here. Okay, so it does take a little time for this domain to be ready to sign up or to install anything on it. Like here we see it has a little icon here. This means that this domain hasn't been transferred, but we already ordered the hosting account, so we can already start design and install WordPress on it. Okay, so basically you want to go to this domain, and if you click on info on the right hand side, you'll see different URLs, URL options for this domain. So before the domain has been transferred, these will not be accessible, but this one will be. Okay, so it's already installed on, or the hosting account is already active on this link. What you want to do is go to the home page again, volume plan, go to that hosting account, go through the regular spiel, install WordPress, start install. Finalize installation. It will take you to this page, but this domain is not ready with us. So what you want to do is paste the fifth domain name, and then with the server name, and then you can just continue and set up your WordPress page.